This is the GROHE Retro-fit Shower System, a stylish shower set at an amazing price that is perfect for upgrading your shower. It comes with a standard shower arm, an 18-inch rail, an adjustable hand shower holder and a 59-inch metal hose. The GROHE Retro-fit system installs quickly, perfect for replacing your old shower. No need to break tile. It works with existing plumbing behind the wall and allows up to 2 shower outlets. It's easy to use and water-saving. With the 6-position diverter, you can select normal and eco water flow through the shower head, hand shower or both. Plus, an optional GROHE EcoJoy 1.8 GPM flow restrictor is also included. The system features the durable and easy-to-clean GROHE StarLight chrome finish, or you can also choose brushed nickel. To make it a perfect shower experience, just complete the system with the GROHE New Tempesta Cosmopolitan 100 shower head and hand shower, both with 4 spray options. And you can be certain of the German-engineered GROHE quality, all backed by our lifetime warranty. GROHE Retro-fit Shower Systems, the easy and affordable upgrade to your shower experience.